Alright, so we're going to tune the guitar strings differently before you start this. So it's C sharp, there's your low E string, G sharp for the A string, C sharp for the D string, F sharp for the G string, A sharp for the B string, and D sharp for the high E string. Alright, so this is how the song goes. Alright, slower. Alright, so next part is the solo. Which is Alright, I'm going to do it without the overdrive and distortion. Let me do that again. Alright, then the singing is the same thing. Alright, now the pre-chorus. Slowly. So the chorus is... Alright, there's another guitar in the chorus that's doing this. And then there's the last solo, the lead solo. And that just repeats. I'll do it slowly. You can add some hammer-ons and pull-offs in there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please check out GuitarRealm.com if you want a one-on-one lesson with me. Also remember to subscribe and like. Have a good one.